Hi everyone, it's Lori from Lori's Lucky Finds, and I have another lucky find for you. I used to chew lots of gum, and then I started getting cavities. And then I went to sucking candies. I always had to have something in my mouth. And then I went to gummies, and then I went to sugar-free peppermint. And now, if I need something in the middle of the night, I keep these Ricola yellow mint candies next to my bed. Actually, they're lemon flavored. Lemon flavored, herb, sugar-free throat lozenges. They're great. Pack of 105 costs about $17. Just take one, pop it in my mouth. Lemon mint. Great find. So next time, I'll see you with another find. Until then, bye-bye.